Hello, you're welcome. This is Hydra Soap. We are going to be looking at how we calculate oil for soap making. So let's use palm kernel oil, for example. Palm kernel oil. This is palm kernel oil. The saponification value of palm kernel oil is 0.1777. This is the saponification value of palm kernel oil. 0.1777. So let's assuming we have 20 liters of palm kernel oil that we want to use in our soap making, and we want to know the amount of caustic soda we'll be needing for this production. So we'll now say the saponification value of palm kernel oil times how many grams of oil. If it's, let's say, 20,000 grams of oil, that is 0.1777 times 20,000 times 20,000. We'll say, let's calculate it. 0.1777 times 20,000. We have 3,554 grams of caustic soda. So this is the amount of caustic soda we'll be needing for 20,000 grams of palm kernel oil in soap making. I hope you are getting me. If we have 20,000 grams of oil, palm kernel oil, and we want to know the amount of caustic soda we will be needing for the production. So what we do is we look for the saponification value of the palm kernel oil, then multiply it by the grams of the oil. Then what it gave us, and what it gives us will be the amount of caustic soda we'll be using for the production. You'll be wondering, if we have 20,000 grams of oil and 3,554 grams of caustic soda, then how do we get the amount of water that we'll be using for this production? That's very simple. So we say water is, so water 20,000 grams, 20,000 grams of oil times 75%. Let's times it together. 20,000 times 75%. What you have is 15,000 liters of water. What you have is 15,000 liters of water. So for this production, we are going to be using 20,000 grams of oil 3,554 grams of caustic soda and 15,000 grams of water in this production. So that is it for this video. In our next video, I will show you how to combine oil, different type of oil in soap making. So I'll see you again in our next video. Bye.